Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, assistant teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss some assignments of chapter number 7, chapter number 8 and also chapter number 9. So let's start. Firstly, we will do the exercise of chapter number 7. First is write down the name of these images, then write down the name of their opposite gender. Students, you can see the first image is of milkman and the opposite gender of milkman is milkmaid. Next image is of hen. The opposite gender of hen is rooster. Then next image is of woman. The opposite gender of woman is man. Now come to the next exercise. Classify these nouns as masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. Students, in the box you have given some nouns. You have to classify these nouns in masculine, feminine, common and neuter. So, first cow, cow is feminine gender. Landlord, landlord is masculine gender. Tap is neuter gender. Parent is common gender. Headmaster is masculine gender. Neighbor is common gender. Laptop is neuter gender. Cook is common gender. Driver is common gender. Lioness is feminine gender. Bottle is neuter gender. Swimmer is common gender. Television is neuter gender. Peahen is feminine gender. Bird is common gender. Tumbler is neuter gender. Princess is feminine gender. Hunter is masculine gender. Writer is common gender and trainer is also common gender. Now move to next exercise, which is exercise number A. Underline the masculine gender and encircle the feminine nouns in this passage. So my niece and my nephew visited my grandfather in the village and gave me a description of that place. My niece is feminine gender, we will circulate. Nephew is masculine gender, we will underline it. Grandfather is masculine gender, this is we will underline it. Next, according to them, in the village the grandfather has a big farm that has cows, bulls, hens, roosters, a goose and a gander and even an old mare which lives in a stable. So in this sentence, grandfather is masculine gender, we will underline it. Cows is feminine gender, we will circulate. Bull is masculine gender, we will underline it. Hen is feminine gender, we will circulate. Rooster is masculine gender, we will underline it. Goose is feminine gender, we will circulate. Gender is masculine gender, we will underline it. Mare is feminine gender, we will circulate. Now next sentence, they said that my grandfather had hired a milkmaid to milk the cows. Grandfather is masculine gender, milkmaid is feminine gender, we will circulate. Cows is feminine gender, we will circulate. She sells the milk to the villagers. There is a fisherman who lives nearby and delivers fresh fish to the house. Fisherman is masculine gender, we will underline it. My grandmother is mostly ill. Grandmother is feminine gender, we will circle it. And has a nurse. Students, nurse is a common gender, but we didn't do anything with the common gender. We have to underline the masculine gender and circle the feminine gender. So we will leave the nurse as it. ऐसे ही हम इसे छोड़ देंगे. We will not circle it. Okay. My uncle. Uncle is masculine gender. We will underline it. Aunt is feminine gender. We will circle it. And last one is grandfather. We will underline it. Now next question. Question number B. Encircle the odd one in each set. State the reason. Prince, king, countess, governor. We will circle countess. Why? Because it is feminine gender and बाकी सारे जितने भी हैं वो सारे masculine gender हैं. Cousin, uncle, friend, neighbor. Uncle is masculine gender. Other are common gender. Next is table, chair, you, books. You is feminine gender, so we will circle it. Rest are neuter gender. Next, mare, fox, doe, duck. Fox. We will circle fox. Why? Because it is masculine gender. Mare, doe, duck all are feminine gender. Heir, baron, mistress, hunter. We will circle mistress. Why? Because it is a feminine gender and rest are masculine gender, common gender. Teacher, student, sir, principal. We will circle sir. Why? Because it is masculine gender. Rest are common gender. Next, bird, leaves, wood. We will circle bird. Why? Because it is common gender. It is common. Yeah, you will write students here common. Okay. Next is nun, peacock, witch, vixen. Peacock, we will circle peacock. Why? Because it is masculine gender. Rest are feminine gender. Spinster, all horse, drag. We will circle spinster. Why? Because it is feminine gender. Rest are masculine gender. Next, parents, doctor, nurse, stethoscope. Students, we will circle stethoscope, not nurse. Why? Because stethoscope is neutral gender. Rest are common gender. Now moving to next exercise, which is rewrite these sentences by changing the gender of the highlighted words, make other necessary changes. So students, you have to change the highlighted words. First, witch, the opposite gender of witch is wizard. Next, monk, opposite gender of monk is nun. Opposite gender of doe is buck. Opposite gender of bride is bridegroom. Opposite gender of countess is all. Next, governor, opposite gender of governor is governess. Next, landlady, opposite gender of landlady is landlord. Next, fifth, opposite gender of stag is hen. Next, opposite gender of fox is vixen. Next, opposite gender of tiger is tigress. Next, opposite gender of queen is king. Opposite gender of prince is princess. Opposite gender of duke is duchess. Opposite gender of gander is goose. Opposite gender of hen is rooster. Opposite gender of ewe is ram. Opposite gender of he bear is she bear. Opposite gender of bull elephant is cow elephant. Opposite gender of Mr. Ghosh is Mrs. Ghosh. Opposite gender of uncle is aunt. Opposite gender of nephew is niece. Opposite gender of master is mistress. Opposite gender of man servant is maid servant. Now the next is fill in the blanks with suitable common gender. No two blanks should have the same answers. So my blank lives just 2 houses down the lane. Neighbor, the blank study hard for the examinations. Students, the blank drinks milk from the bottle. Child, Raj bought him a new book. Parents, the blank flew high in the sky. Birds, the blank took a break after practice. Dancers, Sony went to watch the film with her cousin. The blank made her bed and cleaned her room. Servant, the blank led the students to their classrooms. Teacher, my blank threw a surprise party for me on my birthday. So this was the exercises of chapter number 7. Now move to some exercise of chapter number 8. So first exercise is read this paragraph, replace the highlighted words with pronouns. So we will use she for the Rakhi. Rakhi and my, we will replace it and we will write here are. Rakhi and I, we will replace it and we will write here we. Rakhi and I, we will replace it and we will write here we. Rakhi, we will replace it and we will write here she. Chocolates and ice cream, we will replace it and write here them. Rakhi and I, we will replace it and we will write we. Rakhi and my siblings, we will replace Rakhi and my with R. Okay, Rakhi and I, we will replace it and we will write here we. Now the next exercise is underline the subject pronoun in each of these sentences. Also provide a suitable object pronoun. One has been done for you. You have to underline the subject pronoun and then you have to fill the blank with the object pronoun. First has been done. Now move to question number second. We will call blank over the tree. We will underline we and we will fill here them. You give a watch to blank. You will underline you, then you will write here me. He returned the map to. You will underline he and you will write here her. She called the two of blank home. You will underline she and you will fill here them. Now, it was barking me. You will underline it and you will fill here me. I bought 2 ice creams for blank. We will underline I and we will fill here them. We must include all of blank in our assembly. We will underline we and we will fill them. They ate lunch with blank. We will underline they and we will fill here me. You cannot blame blank for the mistake. You will underline you and you will fill me. Answer these questions using pronoun as subjects and objects. One has been done for you. Students, you have to give the answer of these questions by the pronouns which is as subject and objects. For first has been done. Now move to question number second. Did I give you the ball? Yes, you give it to me. Are those magazines for you? No, they aren't for me. Does Tina love Chinese food? Yes, she loves it. Will you go to the party with me? Yes, I will go with you. Does he know the neighbors? Yes, he knows them. Does the dog belong to him? Yes, it is his. Does the child belong to that lady? Yes, it is hers. Are these tables laid for us? Yes, they are laid for us. Did she call you? No, she didn't call me. Now moving to next exercise, which is exercise number C. Choose the correct option to complete each sentences. First, blank are the basket bought by me, so they are. Option number B is right. These and mine. Blank is the club blank visits. Option number A is right. This and she. Blank is the food blank eats. Option number C is right. This is the food it eats. Blank are the toys blank bought. Those are the toys he bought. Option number A is right. Blank is the dog blank took to the hospital yesterday. So option number B is right. This is the dog we took to the hospital yesterday. Blank are the famous temples built by blank. Option number C is right. These are the famous temples built by them. The blank are the gloves blank wears. Option number B is right. These are the gloves she wears. Blank is the question blank asks everyone. Option number C is right. This is the question she asks everyone. Blank are the storybook I will gift her. These are the storybooks I will gift her. Option number A is right. Blank is the boat he bought for his family. It is blank. Option number A is right. Now moving to the next exercise. Identify the errors in these sentences. Rewrite them correctly in your notebook. So, Lina is going to study. He is sitting for an examination tomorrow. He is wrong. We will write here she. The dogs are barking loudly. It is disturbing me. It is wrong. We will write here they. Sonu and Monu live in this house. This house is hers. Hers is wrong. We will write here theirs. My cousins are in town. I will visit him. Him is wrong. We will write here them. Ruby and I bought this book. This book is theirs. We will write here ours. She played with the doll as it was his. His is wrong. We will write here her. A cat eats fish. He also drinks milk. He is wrong. We will write here it. He bought this pen, so it is hers. So hers is wrong. We will write his. My sister likes to eat with I. I is wrong. We will write here me. My father always buys good books for I to read. I is wrong, we will write here me. She encourages me to read. She is wrong, we will write here he. So students, these were the exercise of chapter number 8. Now move to exercise of chapter number 9. Firstly you will match the adjective with the suitable nouns. First, fresh bread, high mountains, obedient student, adventurous journey, blank paper, fast train. Now moving to the next exercise. Underline the adjective in these sentences and state their kind. So first is, this is such a beautiful painting. Beautiful, you will underline it and this is the adjective of quality. I saw little kitten on the road. Little, you will underline little and write here adjective of quantity. The young boys ate those apples. You will underline young and you will write adjective of quality. I want that red bag capped over her. You will underline red, it is the adjective of quality. I ate some cheese and 3 bananas. Some is adjective of quantity and 3 is adjective of number. They have enough bread for 2 weeks. You will underline enough, it is the adjective of quantity. The 5 jets presented a dazzling air show. 5 is adjective of number and dazzling is adjective of quality. Amit had some scrambled eggs for breakfast. You will underline some, it is the adjective of quantity. Will you carry this heavy book for me? You will underline heavy, it is the adjective of quality. Next, can you see that colorful butterfly over there? You will underline colorful and this is adjective of quality. Now next exercise is fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives of quality. So, the candy floss tasted good. My new bicycle is very expensive. We should avoid eating spicy food. This is a cool breeze blowing outside. Ramu the greengrocer sells fresh vegetables. Could you give me some black coffee, please? Apples are delicious and mangoes are juicy. Claudia was very naughty, but her sisters were quite serious. The old gardener chased the naughty children away from the apple orchard. The new shirt is very loose. I'll give to return it and get another one that fits well. Now the next exercise is exercise number B. Tick the correct adjectives of quantity or number in these sentences. So first one, some, next few, third any, fourth much, 5 few, 6 many, 7 little, 8 many, 9 some, 10 some. Now next is complete these sentences with suitable demonstrative adjective with the brackets. I will not eat these patties. Solve these mathematical problems at home. Do you know that man over there? These boys broke the glass window. Those children are playing in the rain. I want this pair of scissors for cutting paper. Paresh cannot wear this trouser any longer. Look at those monkeys swinging from tree to tree. Those men in the car were wearing black suits. You can borrow his book, but not that. Now moving to the next exercise, students, you have to complete this table. So first is great, greater, greatest, dry, drier, driest, difficult, more difficult, most difficult, high, higher, highest, many, more, much, old, elder, eldest, strong, stronger, strongest, easy, easier, easiest, busy, busier, busiest, expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Now next is Kushagra was the noblest of men. The is given, so we have to write the superlative degree. Sumit's room is dirtier than mine. Udit was the naughtiest boy in the class. My house is nearer to the school than yours. Sirius is the brightest star in the night sky. Pankhuri is the loveliest girl I have ever met. Who was the most humble of the king's daughters? I have driven on narrower roads than this one. Tell me which food is the healthiest of the two, fried food or baked food? We thought Richa's sister was smarter than Richa, but she proved us wrong. Now, the last exercise of this chapter is rewrite these sentences correctly. Nishant is a best player than Ishank. Students, you will cut best and you will write here better. Suchi is slightly tallest than her sister. You will cut tallest and you will write here taller. Those computers are of the higher quality. You will cut higher and you will write here highest. Next, Kartike has bought the most costliest watch. Students, you will cut the most. Okay. You will not write anything. Next, fifth, Sonu Nigam is the good singer India has ever had. You will cut good and you will write here best. Can you drive more faster, please? Students, you will cut more and faster both and you will write here fast. Are you intelligent than the other student of your class? Students, you will write here more intelligent. Will you call Mr. Roy immediately? It is most important. Raima is a most skillful and graceful acrobat than Rimi. Students, you will cut most and you will write here more. Last is my grandmother is the much loving and helpful person I have ever known. Students, you will cut much and you will write here most. So these were the exercise of chapter number 9. Students, you will fill your book chapter number 7, 8 and 9 and you will also complete your HW copy by watching this video. Thank you everyone.